So when selling on Amazon, there's so many mistakes beginners make that I see constantly. I really want to make it as clear as possible to you guys so you don't make these mistakes when starting off. So if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. In this channel, we talk about selling on Amazon, making money online, traveling for free, and all that stuff. So if you're new, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and let's get started. So the first thing I see when people start selling on Amazon is selling something that they're passionate about, something that they love to do as a hobby or something they like to do on the side, and they think, wow, this might be something great to start selling online, and people are going to start spending as much money as they want because they think that since they have interest, other people have interest as well. And this is something I really don't recommend you to do. When I started my first product when selling on Amazon, it was nothing related to what I personally like. It was by far the most opposite, but I did my product research and I found what sells on Amazon that has low competition and high search volume. So when selling on Amazon, you want to make sure that you're selling something that's not competitive on Amazon, that you're going to have a high chance of being successful. Because last thing you want to do is start selling something that just because you're having interest in, maybe the profit margin isn't there, or maybe it's a very high competitive field, maybe it's just not the right thing to be doing. So you want to do that product research, and I teach you guys how to do that. I'm gonna have a link down up here to show you guys exactly how to do that. It's the right product research that will find you that right product that's in a low competition and high search volume field. You want to find something that's light and small, something that has a high profit margin. You want it to be light because the shipping cost from China to Amazon's warehouse is going to be cheaper, and when a customer buys your product, sending it to your customer is going to be cheaper too, so you're going to have a higher profit margin. You also want to make sure that it's not in a competitive field and that it is getting a lot of exposure as well. And I recommend it to be $15 or more, that way you have a higher profit margin. So that's one of the biggest mistakes I see, that somebody sells something that they're passionate about and it doesn't end up working out. I really recommend when selling on Amazon, you do your due diligence and you search up your product that you want to start selling, and you take your time with it, because you're going to be investing a lot of capital and money on that product for Amazon FBA, and you want to make sure that you have a high chance of being successful and growing a long-term business. The second thing I see a lot of people do is sell products that are cheaper than what I personally recommend. So I recommend selling products that are $15 or more. Why is this? Because of profit margin. You want to make sure that the profit margin that you're selling is 35% or more, and having it below $15 just by the shipping cost and product cost, it's usually going to be a little bit lower than that 35%. So you want to make sure you sell products that are over $15. That way you have a higher profit margin and you can grow your business year by year. Something lower of that $15 range, you might not be able to grow your business as well. So when you find that product to start selling, make sure it's above $15, and also make sure that you're not competing directly with an Amazon product. So what is competing with an Amazon product? So you might look on Amazon, you might see some listings that are shipped and sold by Amazon. So those are, you can just click a couple of listings and you would usually see shipped by Amazon and sold by a company. If it's shipped and sold by Amazon, that means Amazon is selling this product, and they really don't care about their profit margin when selling products on Amazon. They're more worried about their customer service and having a good customer experience for the customer. They make most of their money off sellers like you and me, so make sure that you're not competing directly with Amazon. This is one of the mistakes I really did when doing a product on Amazon. I really messed up with this, and it cost me probably $20,000 in products, because it was crazy. I mean, I did the whole product launch, and then Amazon just dropped their product to like $5, and for me that's like my Amazon FBA fees. So I ended up having to liquidate that whole product and start all over. And that's something you want to make sure that your product is $15, but you're also not competing with Amazon products as well. So make sure that you fall under those rules, because Amazon can really just drop their prices and ruin that market for you. The third thing I recommend you to do is have a higher profit margin. So the minimum profit margin I recommend is 35% or higher. So I have here my Helium 10 platform, and if you don't have Helium 10, I really recommend you to sign up for it. It's going to be in the description down below. I'll have a discount code for you guys. But this is how I'm able to find the right products to start selling. I use a tool here called Product Research, and that's what allows me to find products to start selling on Amazon. For me, I personally recommend you to have a higher profit margin of 35% or more after Amazon FBA fees, after product fees, after shipping fees, all of that. You want to make sure that profit margin is 35%. That way you can reinvest in the business and grow it year by year. So you see, when I first started selling on Amazon, I didn't have that much money, not that much capital, nothing. I literally started from the ground up, and I'm on my 5th year of selling on Amazon, and year by year it's growing at least 50 to 100%. And I'm teaching people like you of exactly how to do the exact same thing that I'm doing. I'm not doing any secrets, anything like that. All this information is on my channel for free, and this is exactly how you can grow the same exact way as me. So I've just been consistent with it year by year, and I make sure that I have a high profit margin of 35% or higher. I really make sure that it's 35%, because at the end of the day, we're trying to make money, and that's what it matters. I don't care about sales. I've 13,000 in sales yesterday. I don't care about that. I care about profit margin, and that's what yesterday I did 2,800, which is amazing. Actually, I usually average around 2,000. For the week, 13,000, and for the year 420,000, and that margin is at 34%. That's what we're looking for. That 35% or more, like I said, is very important. I teach you guys how to do this whole process for free on my channel, so make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new. I teach you guys step by step, and I also have a free Amazon course for you guys. It's going to be in the description down below, but mainly make sure to check out this Helium 10 tool. This is how I was able to scale the business year by year. And product research tools helps you find those right products to start selling on Amazon. I have a whole tutorial for you guys of exactly how I found my products to start selling on Amazon, how you can do the exact same thing. So make sure to check out Helium 10 as well. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to this channel. I teach you guys all the steps I've done and how you can do the exact same thing. So hopefully this video was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.